What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression of the fourth Mancera in my collection. Today we're talking about Black Gold. Of course, I've heard so much good things about this specific Mancera. I had to pull this trigger. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like contents like this. I was expecting the box to be black and the label to be something else, but okay, just the job. Black Gold, unboxing it, and never smelled this one before, about to find out. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried Black Gold. I really have high hopes about this specific one. So yeah, nothing special. You've seen one Mancera box, you've seen it all. Again, of course, your beautiful golden pouch. Okay, that's a matte finish thing outside, and that's the fragrance name. Okay, really nice. Like, feel is absolutely premium. Magnetic cap. So first, let me tell you about the notes for those of you who have never heard about this specific one, just like me. So on the top, you've got citrus fruits, doesn't specify which ones. Nepalese oud, wow, oud right up front. Fresh lavender, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Spicy, fruity, I'm guessing juicy as well. On the mids, you've got Egyptian jasmine. Okay, so I guess this is where things neutralize. Violet, rose, marine notes, and leaves of patchouli. Wow, heavy, light, smooth. There's a lot going on, I believe. And on the base, you've got vetiver, woody notes, leather notes, amber, and sensual white musk. Now, white musk comes in different flavors. Not sure how this one's gonna come through. Sometimes it's powdery, clean, white kind of vibe. Sometimes it's that creamy, very smooth kind of texture without that powderiness. Powderiness is there, but it's like super uber smooth. Let's go ahead and do a first impression of Mancera Black Gold. Handy dandy tester strip. Yep, that's the unused one, of course. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's do it. All right. Okay. All right. Ooh. This is interesting. A lot of people said a lot of bad things. I saw it on Fragrantica. Of course, nobody trusts Fragrantica anymore because I don't know what kind of noobs are there sometimes. Up front, the thing is not super potent, not like red tobacco or Cidre Boise. Has that soapy, almost like a green leather, not too pronounced, but almost like that green leather, and yet fresh, clean, soapy kind of vibe. I'm guessing that's where the white musk is playing. I don't get any citrus just like that on paper. Has some spiciness, of course. It's more on the airy side, at least on paper. That's what I'm feeling. I do get some florals. I guess this is where the florals are coming into play, like it's balancing out the oud in the opening and the spicy nuances and notes. All right, let's do on skin. I mean, things already changing on paper, and it's good. Actually, it's good. I mean, Manceras are sometimes notorious for being too potent, it burns your nose. Well, this one does not, surprisingly. Although it says Black Gold, the name could be misleading. Let's go ahead. Now I'm picking some of that fresh lavender. So the lavender over here is more floral in nature. It's not that spicy, dry, sharp lavender. It's smoother. Yes, so on skin, this is good. On skin, I'm getting some citruses, but not specifically bergamot or orange or lemon, lime, not like that, but it's like a mix. It's like a citrusy mix. You don't know which ones, but it smells really nice. Flavorful, aromatic. The lavender is more on the floral side, so the lavender and citrus thing is playing it beautifully in the opening. Definitely a bit herbal because of that violet. Spiciness is not too much pronounced on skin. And look how much, like I did like what, four or five sprays, or maybe six. On paper it was not as pronounced, but on skin, this thing's shining really nice. Some leathery undertones coming through. The marine note, it's not one of your like salty sea. I mean, I do get some kind of a salty sea breeze or watery kind of vibe, but it's not as pronounced. It's more on the fresher side. So Black Gold, I'm feeling this is something that's definitely doable in the summertime, like in heat, because right now it's very hot in New York City, and even in this temperature, this thing's feeling really nice, very soothing and smooth. That's the best part. I don't get too much of woods right away. Maybe it's gonna take a while for it to dry down, of course. But the musk is definitely there. Like, it's musky, but musk over here, it's more on the clean, like a slightly creamy, powdery, borderline creamy, powdery kind of thing going on. Well, the floral note over here, the jasmine, I believe the Egyptian jasmine and the lavender, they're like working in conjunction from top to mids. Ladies, if you're interested, definitely doable. Guys, this is perfectly unisex. It's not leaning slightly feminine or anything. Like, it's smelling really, really good. Very nice. Smelling fresh, clean, a great one. Like, again, to those of you who said this is a great fragrance, I must agree. I'm not sure about longevity, how far this is gonna go, but of course that's gonna be something for me to discuss during my full review after I've done full wearings. But for the first impression, Black Gold, super hit. This was a good blind buy. So guys, let me know in the comments if you've tried Black Gold. What are your thoughts? Why do you like it? Why do you hate it? If you hate it, just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.